शाम का पर्दा गिरते ही बच्चे घरों को लौटने लगे। मोहल्ले की रौनक बुझ गई। वीजा डेबिट ने मुझे अपनी पूंजी से मिला दिया और दूर की चीजें पास आने लगी।
The 360-degree activation for Dream to Advance included TV, radio, on-ground activation, and most importantly, dreamtoadvance.com.
So we created a platform called Dream to Advance with a view to let people share their dreams, get ideas from other people's dreams, help each other to really, in a way, create a community. And fundamentally, we find that powerful ideas are content, and consumers pick this up into their communities and create conversations, and in a way, start co-creating with the community.
That's where the entire, the dynamics of the platform changes for him. He suddenly is connected to people with relevant visions, relevant dreams, and relevant desire and passion points. And once that happens, it's very easy for him to react, to acknowledge, and to be motivated in that set of ecosystem. So Dream to Advance is based on a model of collaboration and conversation, and if you see, that's how exactly the site also functions. It just starts a conversation with a user asking him, do you have a dream? Tell us the dream. It recommends you relevant community. Basis our research, which we were able to categorize all the possible contents into 29 different topics or communities. And the user is recommended the most relevant community, which he selects.
And we realize that these dreams are to fulfill your own ambitions. It could be to help a community, it could be something to do with the family, it could be to do with friends.
Creating this massive collaboration, because the social gamification angle added to it ensures that there's a high intensity of interdependence. Until unless I help somebody in my community, my advancement within the community is also not possible. And that's what, in a nutshell, Dream to Advance is all about.
India is an incredibly young and optimistic country. There are millions of young people who are wanting not only to live life to the fullest today, but also make meaningful investments for their future, for their tomorrow. Dreamtoadvance.com is actually about enabling their collective pursuit of their dreams.
मेरे दो हाथ थे, वीजा ने कई हाथ बना दिए। दो पाँव, दो पहियों से जनरेटर चलाकर मैंने बिजली पैदा की और मोहल्ला रोशन कर दिया। बच्चों की किलकारियां फिर गली में लौट आई।
Visa Debit. Dream to Advance.